Welcome back to Daytime Live. And of course, we're still celebrating Women's Day. And we are super happy to have back Sugar, the stunning, the amazing, Sugar, yes. And she's also going to be performing for us in a second. But before she starts, tell me about Femme Phenomenal.
Femme Phenomenal.
Tell me about that.
Femme Phenomenal is a foundation. We're doing the launch tonight, by the way. Yes. What do you mean, are you? You're the host.
We know, right? She does that.
Yeah. This foundation gears to bringing awareness to manipulation, incest, rape, and other forms of abuse. You know, a few weeks ago, I think sometime in January or February, I don't remember exactly when, but I did an article, and since the release of the article, the number of stories that has emerged is completely overwhelming. Yeah. And that alone proved to me that women need a voice.
Yeah, man. Right.
Yep.
And, you know, I just feel like if I have a platform, then I should be able to use it to help somebody, you know. Yeah. Because I too would like to be empowered by another woman, because I believe that as women, we are more powerful when we empower each other.
Hey, that's such a word.
Where is the launch happening?
20A Millsboro Crescent in Barbican.
And is there a cost? Yeah.
No, there's no cost. Just show up.
So it's actually tonight.
It's tonight.
At 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
And it's 28 Millboro Crescent.
Yes, girl, you got it.
Tonight, guys.
You got it.
All right. So what are you going to be performing for us?
Phenomenal Woman.
Exactly. All right, take it away. We'll be back in a second.
Thank you.
Just have a little chat.
We're supporting you over here.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sugar! Woo!
Many people wonder where my secret lies. I'm not cute, nor built to suit a fashion model size. When I try to tell them, they say I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride in my steps, the curve on my lips. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Abused and manipulated. I blacked out when he held the gun to my head. He didn't care about the tears running down my face, or that this haunting memory I wouldn't escape. No, no, I was afraid and ashamed, so I faced it alone. But I found strength and now I've grown. If you encounter defeat, you can overcome. Time will end the night with the rising sun. See, I'm a phenomenal woman. As you can see, I am a great woman. I got it in me. I'm a phenomenal woman. As you can see, mother of creation. It's all in me. I'm the soil that you plant your seed in. All ears when you want to reason. A shoulder when you wanna cry. You can never replace me if you try. I'm the door to life that you came through. I cried when I gave birth to you. I'm your wifey, your sister, and your daughter. A woman just like your mother. She is a phenomenal woman. As you can see, she is a great woman. She's a phenomenal woman. As you can see, mother of creation. It's all in me. I'm the soil that you plant your seed in. All ears when you want to reason. A shoulder when you wanna cry. You can never replace me if you try. I'm the door to life that you came through. I cried when I gave birth to you. I'm your wifey, your sister, and your daughter. A woman just like your mother. She is a phenomenal woman. As you can see, she is a great woman. She's a phenomenal woman. As you can see, mother of creation. Yeah. It's all in me. It's all in her. It's all in me. It's all in Nisha. It's all in her. It's all in me. It's all in her. It's all in her. It's all
Wow,
in me.
wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much. I feel it, you know, like I want to cry.
Don't cry.
Thank you so much, Sugar. Thank you so much. That's it. Thank you for tuning into Daytime Live. You can keep playing. You can keep playing. Keep the music going. Happy International Women's Day, everybody. Remember to tune in on Tuesday with much more
Buzz,
chat,
vibe.
and mix. Thank you for watching
great
Daytime
weekend,
Live.
you guys.
Yes,
Enjoy it, especially the women.
especially the women. All right, continue, Sugar. Take it away again.
La, la, la. Phenomenal woman. As you can see.